I'm from Chicago and the winters are brutal here. I need my makeup to last. Let's get into this hydrating look. First step, we're gonna use this Sephora Hydrating Bouncy Water Jelly because we wanna have a completely hydrated skin surface to apply makeup, especially during the winter months where your skin can be excessively dry, and we want to hydrate, and more hydration, giving me a natural dewy glow. That's the goal. Next up, I'm going to apply concealer. I use 2 concealers. I start in the inner corner with the lighter shade. I use the other to go right here along the laugh lines, on my chin area, and just a little bit right there. So it'll give me a nice lift. Let's start blending. I'm not using any foundation, so the blending is really important for me to get adequate coverage. Next, I'm gonna use Laura Geller's Baked Powder. Technically, it's a foundation, but I'm gonna use it as a finishing powder. I love this powder. It has the feel of a cream. Goes on soft, smooth, and silky. All right, my base is done. Now I'm gonna do something really simple with my eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario. Just gonna use 2 shades. I'm using this shade on my lid, and I'm gonna use this shade on my crease to create a lifting effect. Now I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Intense Ink for a classic wing liner. You know my vision is not what it used to be, so I just did my eyeliner off camera. Next, I'm gonna apply the Tower 28 Tubing Mascara. I love the way it separates my lashes. It goes on really, really easy, and it comes off even easier. And it just opens your eyes. We love. This look is all about the hydration, so I'm going to use this one from Ciele in the shade June. Let's blend. I blend in an upward motion, rounding it out around the temple for a nice, flush, beautiful look. Put a little bit on the apples of the cheeks, voila. For my lip, I'm gonna use this liner from the brand REFY in the shade Sepia. I usually overline for added fullness. Blend together. And finally, to complete my look, I'm gonna use this gloss by Fenty Beauty in the shade Riri. I love this. It goes on so soft. My lips feel hydrated. There's no dryness. You know I'm feeling cute. I have to lock the look in, so of course I'm gonna use my OG Charlotte Tilbury. It never, ever fails. So gorgeous.